What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing. We've got a great video for you guys today. We're gonna talk about an update to the Uber app. Before we jump into this video, we wanted to give a quick shout out to Buckle. Buckle is the best form of rideshare insurance that covers you in every situation, has very affordable rates, and what I love the most about Buckle is I can combine my regular policy and my rideshare policy into one. I, for years, paid for two policies and probably lost a lot of money on it. So wrapping it all into one policy is the way to go. So check out Buckle, guys. You're gonna get 20 bucks on top of all that just for getting a free quote. Use the link in the description to get access to that offer. Alrighty. So Uber for Business, the ride-hailing company's platform for corporate clients, is now including sustainability metrics within its dashboard for clients. The new dashboard insights allow a view of the total numbers of low emission trips taken using Uber Green, Uber Comfort Electric, and Uber Planet where available, as well as the percentage of low emission trips being taken by travelers compared with total Uber journeys. In addition, clients can see a total greenhouse gas emissions measured in kilograms of CO2 across all rides taken by traveling during a specific time frame, as well as the average emissions per mile, which allows companies to analyze their carbon footprint based on the distance traveled. No offense, I just feel like this is an extremely unnecessary feature. Uber for Business launched the sustainability data after conducting a pilot with a select group of businesses across a range of sectors. Carbon emissions tracking capabilities become a top request from Uber for Business clients at the company. Again, I highly doubt that. Susan Anderson, global head of Uber for Business, said, "What we heard from our corporate clients is that they wanted to be able to track, report, and act on their ground transportation's impact globally. They also wanted insight into the percentage of trips taken on greener modes in order to help educate employees on how to reduce their carbon impact." Yeah, it's very simple. You pay a lot more money for Uber Comfort Electric and you're saving the world. Woohoo! Come on. I just, knowing how so many businesses, everything is about cutting costs, saving money, and making more money, I just don't buy. Companies are gonna be for these things when it benefits their wallets, and that's why I don't buy this. That's why I don't believe this. And I'm sure maybe that select group did. Probably their corporate clients that were environmental businesses. I feel like there has to be something flawed about that little study they did, because it just doesn't make sense to me. How many businesses are really using Uber that much? It's gonna be for business trips primarily. I'm sure there's other scenarios, don't get me wrong, but primarily I'm willing to bet it's for business trips. So these guys go, they Uber to the airport, then they Uber to their hotel, which is probably close to the airport, and then they Uber back and maybe they go grab a bite to eat or go to the business meeting. So maybe they're taking 4 or 5 trips. And you're talking that if these guys are paying $10, $15 more per ride to do Uber Comfort Electric, and then you've got 100 employees doing that, maybe if you're a big company, 5 times a week, you're paying an extra $50 to $100 per employee every time they travel. So to me, I'm just I don't believe it. It's too much money. It's what I said all along about Uber Comfort Electric. It's a proud statement that we're gonna go so green by 2030. But is it realistic that your customer base is gonna be along for the ride there? People love to care about the environment when it doesn't impact their wallets. Some people love to care about the environment when it just doesn't impact their livelihood. A lot of homeowners won't even have a recycling can because it's extra work. So it's you think they're gonna pay 10 to 15 bucks more a ride? You think companies want this data? All this is branding and PR. Look at us. We're making the push for the planet. We're reducing our carbon footprint. We're also forcing drivers to buy $60,000 vehicles. We're phasing out so many people's livelihoods that depend on this to pay their bills and feed their families because they can't afford to go buy a $50,000, $60,000 vehicle. This whole green initiative for them, It's all about them. Anyways, curious to see what you guys think. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Check out Buckle. I think you guys will be really impressed by what you see, and you can get 20 bucks just for getting a free quote. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for more updates.